So icpjobs.com and oDoc.app are the same canister, but two different domains, which is an AI-powered freelance platform. And we offer three services: the AI job match, the smart calendar, and the crypto agreement. And we will talk about them further. So let's just get started. First of all, as a freelancer, the first problem, especially if you're new, is to make a social network for yourself to find startups and potential employers. Maybe you go on LinkedIn, and these days it's very harsh. Personally, I applied for about 600 jobs. That was tedious for me and also for the employers to get that job overflow issue. On Upwork, I have to buy credits to make proposals, which can be quite expensive. Sometimes in my resume, I miss some details, and also I will miss some job opportunities. To solve all of that, we have two sets of solutions which work together in one single page. The AI profile builder, which is the most important step because we believe extracting the right and the enough information from the user is a crucial step in order to have a good job match. For example, right here, take your preferences and all of your data, and even after it find a job for you, it's still telling you didn't mention TypeScript in your profile, and I can tell it to add it later. After you finish your profile, the AI job match, it will match the jobs and the talents together and create a matching score like this one, 90%. It will filter out the bad matches to prevent job application overflow. It will also write a cover letter and check for contradictions. For example, I could say, I have 9 years of experience, but I built only a few projects. That doesn't make sense. It will write that in your profile, and to the AI profile builder will notify you and tell you maybe you should fix this. After you find the right match for you, you can click on connect. It will send them an email with a link to book a meeting with you. Before anyone book a meeting with you, you should set your availabilities. You can go to your calendar and say you are available from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m., and you keep doing it for every single day. You choose the start date and end date manually, and that can be a bit of a problem. And if someone, let's just say, book a meeting with you later within your availability, but there is an emergency, you have to talk to them, can you reschedule to this time or that time, and there will be a bit of back and forth. And also maybe you have two Google accounts. One of your Google accounts is already booked and the other Google account is not aware of the first one. Also, some people could book 15 minutes call with you and you end up talking with them for 1 hour, which causes the time boxing failure. So we solve this with simple smart calendar. You can talk to it. I'm available every day from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can change your time availability if you like. You can just say, shift my availability by -1 hour. It will automatically make it available from 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. instead of this one. You can also say, create an event at the next closest available slot with John Smith. You just say it and it will pick the most suitable time for you and for John Smith, for both sides. Especially if you connect all your Google accounts, it will make sure that the new event doesn't intersect with any other events. You can also reschedule this event to at least 1 hour later. It will reschedule it for the most suitable time for both of you. Also, to prevent the time boxing failure, you can create multiple links. One to book long meetings. For example, this person will have 1 hour meeting. You need to talk to them for 1 hour. You share with them only the long meetings link, and they cannot book 15-minute call with you. After you interview each other, you need to make a contract with each other and you need to manage your tasks together. So first of all, you do not trust each other. You are not sure if the freelancer will deliver the work, and the freelancer not sure if the employer will pay for them. Maybe you go to Upwork, for example, they will take 10% of your income. And maybe you have to use PayPal with Upwork, of course. You have to use Notion and Google Docs and ClickUps possibly. Instead of all of this chaos, we have this simple solution which called promises, or you can call it crypto agreement. So to create a new promise, you have to set the amount, a receiver, and you can choose the type like an escrow or a simple promise. So basically, you can stake the amount for 30 days and set the conditions. You can type it and you can lock this. And it will appear on the other side on their notification and also on their to-do list. And they can confirm the new task or the new promise, and it will be in their active to-do lists. So this acts as an agreement and also it acts as a task manager, both at the same time. So the crypto agreement, it has a set of proof. So proof of existence, that means you cannot make a promise without depositing first. Proof of cap, when you are new to the community, you cannot make big promise, maybe maximum $100 promise instead of 500 in the example that we saw. Also, when you make too many cancellations, you will be capped for $100. If you also cancel this, you will be capped for $50. Proof of stake. So let's just say you made a $100 promise, you have to stake it for at least 30 days, and you made too many cancellations, the next promise, it will be staked for 6 months. Either you have to release it or wait for 6 months to withdraw. If you made too many cancellations, it will appear on your profile, your success rate will go down, and it will be part of your reputation or karma in your profile. So that's it. That's oDoc. And why you need oDoc, I already explained why you need our 3 services, but why we put them all together in one place? Because let's just say you want to create a new task, you talk to your crypto agreement, you say create this task, but you don't set the receiver. You can just tell the AI, okay, create a job post for this task. So you can see how the AI job match and the crypto agreement are connected together. It's a streamline the entire process, and these 3 services, we believe they meant to be together in one single place. You don't need to create multiple profiles on multiple platforms.